Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Hey, I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Jura ENA 8. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. Both are supposed to be pretty good. What are you most interested in?
Well, the Philips is significantly cheaper, around $799, while the Jura is up there at $1,666.99. Is the Jura really worth that much more?
That's a big price difference. All right. The Jura does boast a professional aroma grinder, which is supposed to extract more flavor. The Philips has a ceramic grinder with 12 settings.
Okay, that sounds fancy. The Philips does say its ceramic grinders are good for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
True. But the Jura has a touchscreen and the ability to make 2 cups at once, which is pretty convenient. Plus, it has programmable coffee strength, volume, and temperature.
The Philips has a customizer too for aroma and volume, plus a cool extra shot function. And the LatteGo milk system is supposed to be super easy to clean, just 2 parts, dishwasher safe.
Cleaning is always a plus. The Jura has fine foam technology for milk, but it doesn't specifically mention easy cleaning. Its SensHab is more compact though. The Philips is 15 dx 10 inches WX 17H, while the Jura is 10.7 dx 17.5 WX 12.7H.
Good point about the size. I'm a bit tight on counter space, but the Philips makes 12 different coffee drinks automatically. Espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato. Sounds amazing.
The Jura focuses more on espresso and Americano with a one-touch Americano function, so it depends on if you want a ton of variety or just really good espresso.
The Philips has more reviews, 41, and a slightly higher rating at 4.1, versus the Jura's 3.8 with 21 reviews.
Good catch. It sounds like the Philips gives you more bang for your buck. The Jura is sleeker and maybe a bit more focused on the purest espresso experience, and you're paying a premium for the brand.
Yeah, I think I'm leaning towards the Philips. Seems like a great all-around machine without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.